Feeling sluggish, achy, stiff, or painful joints? Discover the 10-day anti-inflammatory diet and transform your health. The 10-day anti-inflammatory diet is here to help you boost energy, reduce pain, and feel your best. This diet focuses on whole, nutrient-dense foods that fight inflammation. Think fresh veggies, fruits, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Say goodbye to processed foods and hello to vibrant health. By sticking to this diet for just 10 days, you might notice a significant reduction in inflammation and pain, plus you'll likely experience increased energy, better digestion, and a stronger immune system. And the best part? It's not a long-term commitment, just a short-term kickstart to healthier eating habits. Remember though, this is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Ready to get started? Check out the links below for sample meal plans and join the community of health enthusiasts transforming their lives. You've got this. So, what are you waiting for? Let's fuel your body with the nutrients it craves and watch the magic happen in just 10 days. Click on the link in the description below to access your 10-day anti-inflammatory reset diet. Get started today, giving your body what it wants so it will give you what you want.